Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. Hello, today we will learn the most common programming language Python. Let's get started learning Python. Before we dive in, let's first talk about what Python is and why you might want to learn it. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that's used by developers all over the world for a wide variety of purposes. It's known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility, which makes it an ideal choice for everything from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, let's get started with the tutorial. Installing Python. To get started with Python, the first thing you'll need to do is install it on your computer. You can download the latest version of Python whose links is in the description. Once you've downloaded the installer, run it and follow the instructions to install Python on your computer. Writing your first Python program. Now that you have Python installed on your computer, it's time to write your first Python program. Open up a text editor, such as Notepad or Sublime Text, and enter the following code. Save the file with a py extension, such as hello.py. Then, open up a terminal or command prompt and navigate to the directory where you saved the file. Type python hello.py and hit enter. You should see hello, world printed to the screen. Variables and data types. Variables are a way to store data in Python. You can assign a value to a variable using the equals operator. For example, in this case, we're assigning the value 5 to the variable x. We can also assign different data types to variables, such as strings, floats, and booleans. For example, operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values in Python. Conditional statements. Conditional statements are used to execute different blocks of code based on whether a certain condition is true or false. The most common conditional statement in Python is the if statement. For example, in this case, the if statement checks whether x is greater than 0. If it is, the first block of code is executed, x is positive. If not, the second block of code is executed, x is not positive. Loops. Loops are used to repeat blocks of code multiple times. The most common loop in Python is the for loop. For example, in this case, the for loop repeats the block of code 5 times, with the variable I taking on the values 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Functions. Functions are a way to group together blocks of code. For now it is very enough. I hope you will understand our tutorial. We will give link in description. Goodbye.